China may have just shown us the future of housework. And yes, it involves a humanoid robot doing your laundry. Badly? Possibly, but still, a robot doing your laundry. This is the SeeLight S1, also known as the Shiguang S1, a new house-made humanoid robot unveiled in Wuhan, China. Now, before everyone throws their washing machine into the skip, let's be clear. This is not a finished robot butler you can order online and have delivered by Tuesday. Not yet. It's more like the early version of the first car. A bit expensive, a bit clunky, but potentially world-changing. The SeeLight S1 is designed to cook simple meals, load laundry, fold clothes, tidy tables, make beds, open curtains, and help around the home. Which means robots are now coming for chores nobody actually wanted in the first place. The cost being discussed is around $28,000. So yes, for the price of a decent used pickup truck, you may one day own a robot that folds a t-shirt like it has just survived a small tornado. But here's why this matters. Factories are structured, warehouses are mapped, restaurants have repeatable tasks, but homes are chaos. Pets, kids, stairs, socks, chairs in the wrong places, and serial explosions at 7 AM. If a robot can work in a real home, it could almost work anywhere. This is why this is bigger than housework. This is about embodied AI, physical AI, humanoid robots, service robots, and the future of automation in everyday environments. For businesses, this is the signal. Robots are moving from controlled spaces into messy human spaces. That means future opportunities in healthcare, hotels, retail, logistics, restaurants, care homes, and facilities management. So is the SeeLight S1 ready to replace your housekeeper? No. Is it a glimpse of the future? Absolutely. And the future is rolling toward us, carrying laundry and possibly burning the eggs. Subscribe to RoboPhil for more daily robotic news, humanoid robot updates, AI robot insights, and practical robot business strategy.